Imagine this. You're building a web application. It's sleek, functional, and has potential. But suddenly the user base grows and your app starts to crumble under the pressure. Debugging takes forever, scaling is a nightmare, and consistency across environments is a pipe dream. What went wrong? Well, let's talk about the 12-factor app methodology, your guide to building scalable, maintainable, and cloud-ready applications. First up is codebase. One codebase, many deploys. Imagine having one single source of truth for your app. Tools like Git let your team track changes, ensure consistency, and manage multiple deployments seamlessly. Collaboration becomes a breeze and rollbacks, a non-issue. Next, dependencies. Explicitly declare and isolate them. A manifest file, like package.json or requirements.ext, becomes your app's checklist. Pair it with tools like Docker to encapsulate everything, ensuring it runs the same on your laptop as it does on the cloud. No more dependency nightmares. Configuration? Store it in the environment. Hard-coding sensitive details like API keys in your app? That's risky business. Instead, environment variables let you adjust configurations without altering the code, keeping everything secure and adaptable. Treat backing services like databases or message queues as attachable resources. This means swapping PostgreSQL for MySQL, or updating a caching service requires no code changes, just a tweak in your configuration. It's that simple. The build, release, run principle. These stages must be separate. A CI/CD pipeline ensures the same build is deployed across all environments, reducing surprises in production. Build once, run anywhere. Stateless processes are the way forward. Your app should store its data in external services, not locally. This ensures that adding or removing instances won't disrupt operations. Horizontal scaling? Done. Apps should self-contain and export services via port binding. By exposing functionality through ports, you make deployment on platforms like Kubernetes or Docker straightforward and efficient. When demand spikes, don't panic. Concurrency lets you scale out through multiple processes or services. A microservices architecture can even scale each app component independently, saving resources while maintaining performance. Here's one often overlooked: disposability. Fast startups and graceful shutdowns mean smoother scaling and deployments. No interrupted requests, no frustrated users. Development, staging, and production should mirror each other. This is dev/prod parity. With tools like Docker, you can eliminate those "it worked on my machine" headaches. Logs as event streams? Absolutely. Aggregate them into platforms like ELK Stack to monitor and troubleshoot your app in real time. Lastly, admin processes like database migrations? They should run as one-off tasks in the same environment as your app, ensuring consistency and reliability. And there you have it. The 12-factor app is more than just a methodology. It's your blueprint for building modern, robust, and scalable applications. Follow these principles, and you'll not only future-proof your app, but also save countless hours of frustration.